welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a princessy pink makeup tutorial for you all. I absolutely adore how this look turned out. It's so cute and girly and princessy. Kind of reminds me a little bit of like a modern day version of Princess Peach from Super Mario Brothers. But anyways, if you guys would like to see more trendy videos from me, don't forget to click that subscribe button if you are new here today. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the look. Now, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to be doing is priming my eyelids with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And like I've stated before, I've already done my foundation, my concealer, setting powder, and filled in my eyebrow. Now I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Life's a Festival eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the color Rainbow Life. Taking that color Rainbow Life, I'm going to be starting at the inner corner of my eyelid. I'm going to be using another color for the center of the eyelid, so I'm going to skip over that part of my eye and bring that same color, Rainbow Life, to the outer corners of my eyes. And just repeating that same process over on my other side. Now I'm going to be blending that out, and I actually like using a highlighter brush and just sweeping away any fallout or harsh edges to this eye look. The next shade I'm going to be using is in my Too Faced Tutti Frutti Razzle Dazzle eyeshadow palette. And the shade I'm using is going to be the shimmery dusty rose pink color. And I'm going to be placing that in the center of my eyelids. And this shade is very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. Taking my blending brush, I'm going to be sweeping out any harsh edges or fallout. I'm going to go back in with that hot pink color Rainbow Life from my Life's a Festival eyeshadow palette and just go back in a little bit more to bring out those hot pink colors in the corner of my eyes and as well as the outer corners of my eyes. And then again with that shimmery dusty rose pink color. By the way, this eyeshadow palette smells just like berries. It is so good. And now for a pop-up highlight, I'm going to be using this color in the center here called Beamin'. And then I'm going to be using Unicorn Tears for the inner corners of my eyes. Taking a white eyeliner pencil, I'm going to be lining my waterline. And now lining my tight line with a black gel eyeliner pencil. And now to curl my eyelashes. Now I'm going to be applying my new favorite mascara, which is Too Faced Damn Girl. And don't forget those bottom lashes. Now we are going to apply some blush. I'm taking my favorite girly blush, which is NARS. We're calling it O. Everything I use in this makeup tutorial today will be linked down below if you're interested in seeing the products that I am using. And taking a fluffy brush like this, I'm going to be tapping in with that color Beamin' and pop that on my cheeks as a highlighter. Also gonna put a little bit on the button of my nose and down the bridge of my nose, as well as Cupid's bow. Now to apply some lip color, I am using this beautiful pink shade in the color Pink Sand by Maybelline. I'm going to pop on a little bit of lip gloss, and this is Essence Friends of Glamor. Ooh girl, I am liking how this look turned out. Normally, I will say like 90% of the time that I do makeup tutorials on my channel, I just wing it. I don't do like a little test run to see how the makeup turns out. I just look at the colors in my makeup palette and say, okay, I want to do this today, so I just wing it right here on camera. So the final step in this makeup tutorial is using a setting spray, and this is the NYX Matte Finish Makeup Setting Spray.